going for breakfast. Let's go. I'm hungry.
15 hours sleep.
Yeah. Alex slept 15 hours. It's locked. Let's go. We're going downstairs. We're going down. I was singing, I'm getting timber, you gotta move, you gotta dance, let's make the night. Because did you know, McDonald's here do no vegetarian option, apart from chips. So my dinner and salad. So my dinner last night was a large portion of chips and a Diet Coke.
I had a nice big fat juicy one.
You did, yeah, you did.
Going on an aimless walk around Budapest.
Just gonna explore, aren't we? Explore the streets. What is the time at the moment?
It is about 20 to 10.
20 to 10, look at us, we're out and about. We could have gone to the gym. It's not gonna happen, is it?
Get rid of some of these band-aids. And this gut, this pregnancy that I've got.
Never do that ever again. Anyway, we're gonna go and explore. Enough of that. Miles in Budapest, miles in treasure chest. That's the only bit I know.
There was apparently this really annoying Buddha.
Right.
I kept calling him a pest.
Oh yeah? And then you went, you're Budapest.
Yeah.
Do you know what? Do you know what you are? You're beautiful.
Whoa. Pretty little baby, pretty little baby.
Walking on a bridge. Walking on a bridge. We've been for a little swim, sauna sesh.
Yeah.
And now we're going
It's
out.
very nice in there. They're doing like swimming Zumba.
Yeah. Swim Zumba. I think it is Zumba, like swim. Aqua Zumba or something.
And I'm very hungry, so we're having an early dinner.
Yeah, it's only 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, but we've had a little
I haven't
swim.
got my watch on me at the moment because I accidentally went in the shower with it
Yeah,
on,
you
so
did. I feel like we've done a lot today though.
I know, it's crazy that it's only 3.
It's only 3 o'clock and we've been for a swim.
We still got that river cruise to do, yeah?
Shh, don't tell the vlog. You just ruined the surprise! Let's go get food. You're a wizard, Harry. You're a wizard. To attack. Okay? That's a great move. Okay, that's a great move. 2, 3. Expelliarmus. So I think you have a lot of magic inside you. You should go to Hogwarts. Yeah. Okay?
Enjoy.
Thank you. You're a wizard, Harry. Expelliarmus. You should have done that.